Who doesn't love mayonnaise? And what better than making it at home? It's a perfect add-on to your pizzas, pastas or sandwiches and even your roti. So let's get started. But before that, you're watching Handmade Love and Right Nama. Welcome to my YouTube. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So we need 1 cup of full fat chilled milk, 1.5 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Take a deep vessel and just use your emulsion blender to mix everything together. Over here you could use your mixie also, but the emulsion blender gives the best result. I'm using a Morphy Richards. I'll link that in the description. So now I'm adding the vinegar. It is 1 TBSP. If you want a more thicker version, you can add more vinegar. Instantly you will see that your mixture started to thicken. So just keep blending. Lift and put it down. Again lift and put it down. So after further churns, you will get a thick curly like mixture which should be very smooth. I'm going to give it a few more blends to see how well it can froth more. Can you see those tiny bubbles which are forming? And now it's perfectly ready and lush. I'm pouring it into a container of my choice and storing it in an airtight jar. The mayonnaise need to be stored in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. Like and share the video as much as you can, and thank you so much for watching.